The DJI Air 4 is generating plenty of interest in the drone community, with many curious about what this new model could bring to the table. While DJI hasn't confirmed anything yet, leaks and industry chatter point to a potential release possibly around August. If true, it would follow DJI's usual timeline for launching new drones. Let's explore what we might expect from the Air 4. The DJI Air 4 seems set to take everything great about the Air 3 and push it further. While nothing is official, here's what the rumours suggest so far. One of the standout upgrades is the rumoured larger 1-inch sensor, which is expected to deliver sharper images and significantly improve low light performance, making it a top choice for capturing breathtaking aerial photos and videos. Professionals will likely appreciate the addition of a mechanical shutter, designed to minimize distortion during fast movements, which is essential for high-quality videography and photography. Building on the strengths of its predecessor, the Air 3, the Air 4 may also offer smarter obstacle avoidance technology. Advanced sensors are expected to make flying in complex environments safer and easier, providing extra safety when navigating near trees, buildings, or other obstacles. Another potential highlight is an extended flight time that could surpass the Air 3's impressive 46 minutes per charge. For drone enthusiasts and professionals alike, longer battery life means fewer interruptions and more time to focus on capturing that perfect shot. Additionally, the Air 4 may feature an upgraded video transmission system, promising a more reliable connection, longer range, and improved live feed quality, which can be a game changer for those shooting projects or simply enjoying the view from above. These enhancements suggest that the Air 4 will cater to a diverse range of users. For professionals, the improved camera and longer flight time could make it a dependable tool for capturing events, landscapes, or creative projects. Enthusiasts and hobbyists will likely appreciate its ease of use, smarter safety features, and enhanced capabilities for exploration, while content creators could find its upgraded camera and video transmission ideal for producing professional-looking footage for platforms like YouTube and Instagram. Overall, the DJI Air 4 looks like it could set a new standard for mid-range drones, delivering a combination of advanced features and versatility that appeal to various users. These rumoured upgrades could make the Air 4 worth considering for your next drone purchase. When considering the DJI Air 4 as an upgrade, the Air 3 already stands out as a robust option, but the Air 4 could bring some enticing improvements. One of the most notable rumoured features is a larger 1-inch sensor, which would provide superior image quality and low light performance compared to the Air 3's dual 1.3-inch sensors. For photographers and videographers who often work in challenging lighting or require exceptionally detailed images, this could be a significant step up. Additionally, the potential inclusion of a mechanical shutter on the Air 4 could eliminate rolling shutter distortion, a common issue when capturing fast-moving subjects. This enhancement would particularly appeal to those aiming for professional-grade, cinematic footage. Battery life on the Air 3 is already sufficient for most casual users, but professionals who tackle intricate shoots or operate in remote locations often need more flight time. If the Air 4 offers improved battery performance, it could be a valuable upgrade, giving pilots those extra precious minutes to get the perfect shot. Alongside this, rumours suggest that the Air 4 could feature more advanced obstacle avoidance systems. Enhanced sensors might provide an even smoother flying experience, reducing stress when navigating tricky environments or crowded areas. This level of safety and reliability would appeal to both seasoned operators and those newer to drone piloting. However, it's important to weigh these potential upgrades against your current needs. If the Air 3 already meets your requirements, especially with its excellent image quality, reliable battery life, and dual camera setup, you might not feel an immediate need to switch to the Air 4. DJI typically lowers the price of older models when new ones launch, which could make the Air 3 an even better deal for those who prioritize value. Ultimately, upgrading to the Air 4 could make sense for professionals or enthusiasts seeking cutting-edge features like a larger sensor, mechanical shutter, or enhanced obstacle avoidance. But for casual users or those already content with the Air 3's capabilities, waiting to see how the Air 4 performs, or taking advantage of discounts on the Air 3 might be the smarter move. Carefully consider your needs and budget to decide which drone fits your vision best. The Air 4 seems like it can turn out to be a versatile drone, catering to different kinds of users. Photographers and videographers looking for high-quality footage will likely appreciate the Air 4. The improved camera and longer flight time could make it a reliable tool for capturing events, landscapes, or creative projects. Casual users who love exploring with drones could find the Air 4 a great fit. It seems like it will be easy to fly, with smarter safety features and plenty of range to explore new areas. Social media creators who want unique and professional-looking content could also benefit from Air 4's camera upgrades. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram demand sharp, engaging visuals, and this drone might help creators stand out. DJI has a track record of balancing features and affordability in its mid-range drones. The Air 3 was priced at around $1,099, so the Air 4 might see a small price increase if the rumoured upgrades are accurate. It's hard to say without official details, but it's likely to offer good value for the technology it brings. While nothing is confirmed yet, the DJI Air 4 can be an exciting addition to DJI's lineup. It seems like it could bring meaningful improvements over the Air 3, making it a strong choice for both professionals and hobbyists. It doesn't matter if you're into photography, content creation, or just flying for fun. The Air 4's rumoured features sound like they'll be worth considering. We'll have to wait for DJI to reveal the full details, but based on the leaks and rumours so far, it's clear that this drone has a lot of potential. If you're in the market for a new drone or thinking about upgrading, the Air 4 is definitely one to keep an eye on. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and thanks for watching.